Hello guys, I'm Shahid from A7iii Vlog. Today in this video I will introduce my new toy Sony A7iii camera. I will go through all the aspects and specifications of this camera and I will tell you the detail about its pricing. So stay tuned, I will be here soon. Hello guys, thank you for joining me. So today I will introduce with my new camera that I bought yesterday from Best Buy, Canada. That is Sony A7iii. I was planning for buying this camera for a long time. Meanwhile, I used my other camera, Sony A6400, which I bought last year. Today I'm very proud to say that yesterday I bought this Sony A7iii camera. Yes, it's an expensive one and I was waiting to buy this camera for a long time. You know, from starting of my channel from last year, I have used different cameras, but for you guys, I thought I should provide you better output and better videos. For that reason, I did some research and after that I have decided to buy the Sony A7iii camera. As today I got this camera, I want to go and open this box for the first time and share with you everything. So as you see, this camera comes in a nice box and strong packaging, which has all the details on its front side, and also it has a nice picture of the camera and the lens. This camera comes with a kit lens which is 28mm to 70mm. You can call it a zoom lens as well, and basically it's a kind of mediocre lens for general photography and videography. This lens I believe will serve me well. Now for the first time I'm gonna open this camera, but before opening this I want to say some specifications of this camera. Sony A7iii is a full frame camera in the Sony lineup, and it has an image sensor with 24.2 megapixel, and also it has an ISO value of 100 to 51200. So it's a very lucrative ISO range, which will give you a good performance in the low lights. It has a 10 frame per second burst photography, and the main reason I bought this camera is the steady shot. This lens is also OSS, means optical steady lens or optical steady shot, and also this camera has in-body image stabilization, which has 5 axis steady shot. I mean the sensor is kind of absorb the shocks from 5 axis. This is also good, and this camera is also known for eye autofocus and also 693 autofocus points, which is also lucrative. So almost you can say that 90% of the or more than 90% of the sensor is covered for autofocus. So I believe this is a very lucrative feature for videography. Besides, it has dual card slot, so you can also use different types of memory cards, 2 memory cards together. It has touch focus, although the screen is not fully touch screen, but for focusing purpose you can use your touch screen. It has a joystick which you can play around with. I believe this will be a good camera for my need. My plan is to use this camera for both photography and videography. This camera is a good combination or nice package for using for both purpose. So this is one of the renowned hybrid camera. I believe this camera will serve me better in the coming days, and I can make nice videos and nice contents using this camera for you guys. I will open this box for the first time and see what is inside. It's a nice packaging by Sony, and after opening this box, first I found these manuals. After that, this is my money receipt that I bought from Best Buy, Canada, and it costs me $2,938 in total. For this camera, it's a good price. I hope this camera will serve me well. So next, in the box, first of all, I can see this is the belt, camera carrying belt. Next, I have inside the box the new Sony Z battery. So this battery is so powerful, like it is equivalent to 2 or 3 batteries that is used in Sony A6000 series. So those batteries are a little bit small, less weighty, but it holds less charge. But this battery can hold a lot of charge. More than 700 clicks of picture you can take with this battery. So if you have this battery, I believe this will be enough for one day of work. But if you want to buy some more, these batteries are very cheap in Amazon and you can buy it from there. Next, if you dig into this box, we will find the regular charger. It's a Sony charger, and this is nothing special. It's the regular charger, and it's a data cable with micro USB connection to charge your battery. This package don't have any external battery charger, but you can buy any battery charger from Amazon and use it separately, or you can charge your battery while putting inside the camera. So that's all from this compartment. I'm closing this compartment now. And now I'll see here what is this. So this is the amazing lens, which is 28 to 70 millimeters OSS lens. So it says optical steady shot made by Sony, 28 to 70 mm, and its focal length is 3.5 to 5.6 millimeters. So it's a nice lens. It's made of plastic, but it's not feel like that. It feels so heavy. All right, I can put it here. All right, this is not the end. This lens has a lens hood. I can put this lens hood in front of the lens, and it will work nice. Now, this is the moment of truth. Now the main camera. Here we go. So this is the Sony A7iii camera. It's a very nice camera. It has in front of me, it has different dials, and it has two exposure controllers, and beside that it has a joystick controller, and also it has a dial. And this camera has a flip screen, but not totally flip up, but you can just tilt the screen like that. This camera is basically built for using different kind of photography or videography, but basically this camera, I believe this is not designed for the vloggers perspective. Other than that, it could have a flip up screen or flip side screen. However, this camera has a nice build quality, and basically I like it. So this is the sensor. Let's take a look. The sensor is open. Alright. Now I try to put the lens. So this is the lens, as you see. Alright. This is properly hooked up. Now these two can go together to hold each other. It's a nice combination. So this is the camera, and it's a very nice camera, and it gives a very good feeling. And this is really heavy, like I believe it's around 1.5 kg or around 3 pounds minimum. So far I feel like that, but the grip is very nice. steady. I saw different reviews that when you hold this camera, your fingers will touch the lens, but for me, not at all. It's very nice. I can hold this camera so easily, and it is giving me a very good feeling. Beside that, now let's put a battery in. This battery is called Z battery Z, and it has a logo, green logo here. Okay, I want to open this. First you need to press the lock and then press your battery in, and this blue thing will hold your battery. And next, this door is not automatic closing, you have to press this lever. So now this is closed. If you see on the left side, there are 3 doors. First one is for the external mic. The second door is for if you want to monitor your work, like the sound. It's a headphone jack, and it's a, I believe, micro HDMI connection if you want to use any external display device. And beside that, USB-C and a micro USB, both connections are here. And this side you will see a switch. If you click the switch, the door will open. You can put your memory cards here. So now I will put the memory card in. Here you will see 2 card slots, memory card slot 1 and memory card slot 2. So here you can see my memory card. Alright, so this is the way you can close this door. So for now, I'm really happy for getting this camera, and I believe from now on I can use this camera to film everything for my YouTube channel and present to you a nice content so that you guys can enjoy. So that's everything for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, and if you have any plan to buy similar kind of camera, I believe this information can help you out to get your own decision. So far, thank you so much for giving me your time and watching this video till to the end. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider to click the subscribe button and also click the small bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload my next video. So till then, have fun and have good time. Bye bye.